Goldprideholdings Reviews often highlight the role of advanced technology and analytical tools within the Goldprideholdings experience. Goldprideholdings places innovation at the center of its platform concept. AI-powered data evaluation is one of the key features presented by the Goldprideholdings platform. The platform combines analytical technology with expert market insights, helping users access information through one structured digital environment. For users exploring Goldprideholdings Reviews, this combination of technology and human support gives Goldprideholdings a distinctive profile. The platform describes decisions as being guided by analytical depth. Goldprideholdings also emphasizes stability built around organized systems and a consistent approach to market information. The broader philosophy is centered on clarity, transparency, and trust. These principles shape both the platform tools and the way Goldprideholdings presents its relationship with users. The Goldprideholdings trading platform also makes everyday market information easier to understand. Price movements use simple color indicators, with green highlighting increases and red highlighting decreases. Individual asset pages provide operating times, asset characteristics, expiration information, and identifying details. The platform automatically synchronizes market time with the user's local time zone. This helps users keep market activity aligned with their own schedule. Goldprideholdings also provides continuous expert support as part of its broader service structure. For people searching Goldprideholdings AI tools, Goldprideholdings Market Insights, Goldprideholdings Analytics, or a Goldprideholdings Platform Review, these features show a clear, technology-focused direction.